Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method that you have added onto your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Now choose your country first and you will be taken into the homepage from which you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. After logging in order to change your payment method, click on the account icon at the top right and then click on Payment Management. You will now see your payment methods window where you will see your payment methods that you have already added as well as the Add Payment Method button. In order to change into a new one, click on Add Payment Method in order to add a new payment method first. Then you can click on Add Credit/Debit Card and you may simply enter your card credentials. Type in your card number followed by the cardholder's name as well as the expiration month and year. Then enter the CVV number or the security code and click on the next button. Once your card has been added, you can go back to the payment management window and you will now find these two payment methods from which you can delete the previous one. And now your payment method has successfully been changed on your PlayStation account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your payment method on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.